Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So weather's getting pretty cold here in Toronto. It's probably last couple weeks of golfing season. So I've got a tee time booked for about 12 o'clock today. Cutting out of work Friday afternoon. We're gonna get after it. Was calling for really nice weather, but it's a little bit rainy today. I think the sun's starting to push out. But we're gonna get out, we're gonna head up to Milton, Ontario, about an hour's drive. Beautiful golf course, Granite Ridge Golf Club, and we're gonna see what we can do on the links. All right, let's go take a look. Cool start, baby. Let's go. Everyone always wants to know if I'm good at golf, and the answer is, comme ci, comme ça. It's a sport that I really want to be good at, but I find it so difficult. Obviously, I'm not coached, I'm not taught. I don't have all the fundamentals down to a T the way I do with my squash and some of my other racket sports. But it's a game as I get a little bit into my older sort of age. I want to be good at it, you know. So this summer, or this year, I spent a lot of time working at it once a week, twice a week. I'm gonna probably take a few lessons and stuff like that, but getting better. But I really enjoy it. 10 bad shots, 1 good shot, that's enough to keep me coming back, boys. That's enough to keep me coming back. Look at that. Underpass, baby. Here we go. Let's go. Woo! Yes! Oh, here we go. Place looks pretty decent.
Turn left.
Pretty decent course. I like it. What's the over-under, boys, on how many balls I lose today? Gotta get my golfing glove. Hey man, how's it going? I'm gonna try and film a little bit today. Nice. 12 o'clock tee off time. Might be okay there.
No.
Here, take this. What do you think of that?
I think I'm ready to kill.
I can still go, no?
I gotta laugh at something later on. Oh, you got lucky. That is so lucky, buddy.
The old bump and run worked for a change. It worked. I thought that for sure I was going to hit a tree and it was going to come back and hit me in the nuts, but it worked this time. 3rd shot. That's the round. I absolutely golfed like shit today. Some of the worst golf I think I've ever done, but still absolutely gorgeous day. The course is so beautiful. And the group that I play with, really good guys. So back into the AMG. Let's head. We're gonna go and grab a little bite to eat. Me and my pops, a couple buddies, get a little bit of food and try and drown my sorrows from this this game. God, I need a golf lesson. If anyone knows how to play this game of golf, hit me up in the comments. All right, here the car is. Trying to get back in. Grab a little bite to eat. Let's go. I'm so tired. It's difficult doing 18 holes. My God, it's like tiring. Really tiring. I'm zonked. All right, there it is, boys. That's the video. Getting back to my parking garage here. My little parking garage. There's a Benz that parks there. There's a little see-through Honda that parks right beside there. There's my bike. Let me just park her up here quickly. Annoy my neighbors now. Oh, that's so annoying. Thanks a lot for watching the video, you guys. See you in the next one.